The man accused of murdering a young mom in her Vancouver apartment way back in 1994 made his first court appearance today. Detectives used DNA from a cigarette butt to track him down 25 years after the crime.
And our Jennifer Dowling talked to her family for the first time and is live outside court now following up on this case. Jennifer?
Good afternoon. Richard Knapp was very quiet in court. He had to wear headphones in order to hear the proceedings, and he was wearing a suicide vest. The family tells me that they had given up on this case until detectives called them and said they'd caught her killer.
It's nice to possibly bring some closure to this pain.
Audrey Haline's brother says she was a kind woman and doting mother of a 5-year-old son.
Yeah, she was just, such a phenomenal person. I mean, she was loving, caring.
About 25 years later, Richard Knapp stands accused of raping and strangling her at the Family Tree Apartments on 4th Plain in Vancouver. He was under a suicide watch as he made his first court appearance. Detectives say they found Knapp by sending DNA evidence to a specialized lab. They in part used genealogy sites to find relatives with similar DNA, narrowing it to Knapp. Detectives watched him for weeks. They say a cigarette he tossed was used to confirm his DNA was connected to the crime.
I hope that this case is able to come to a conclusion with justice for Audrey.
Court documents show Knapp was accused of raping someone else more than a decade earlier. In 1986, he was convicted of third-degree rape in Washington and was sentenced to 12 months in jail. Those documents reveal that he only spent 60 days behind bars. It reads, having previously served 60 days total confinement, the balance of 12 shall be suspended. He was instead ordered to undergo an alcohol treatment program. His sentence was completed in December of '87.
If this guy did this to another person, earlier, and just got off really easy with a slap on the wrist, I mean, I would think that, the system failed that victim.
Knapp's defense attorney argued today that his client shouldn't have to appear in court in shackles during pretrial hearings so as not to taint public opinion and a potential jury pool. The judge granted his request to allow him to be uncuffed today and in future hearings. After Knapp was unshackled, the judge decided bail. He set it for Knapp at $1 million. Back to you.